Testing out the Kasumi titanium once again. Great knife. Very simple garnish. It's nice. It's nice because you can go so thin with this knife. Get into all different things with this. Some people peel them. I don't. I think the skin tastes fine. I'm just going to give this a few slices here. And the first slice is going to be just like this. Okay. I'm just going to slice it up. Consistent 1/8 inch thick slices is what I'm looking for here. It's nice. This one's nice. It's a little bit firm. However, it is raw. So I'm just going to arrange this on a plate. Scoring of the tools chef's using here. Kasumi Japanese titanium knife. Very, very nice. Slides through food. All you do is rinse it off. Stays sharp a long, long time. Butcher Blocks, made in America. Sponsor right there. Subscribe right there. Get cooking and have a beautiful day. Ah, fresh basil.